Well, trying to look at cars, but people come back from 4th of July. It's the 7th of July, and we're just stopping to go, trying to get on the highway. First stop, let me study these and look at this GLC 43 AMG. Take a look at that thing, and we'll go from there. Dude, these metered ramps really help. Let me know. Sometimes I feel like you're just going to be nose to tail either way. You get someone that goes on the on-ramp slow versus somebody who drives fast, like me on the on-ramp. I'm going to catch out a person anyway. I don't think that's really a benefit. Let me know what you think in the comments. Oh, look at this traffic. Look at this traffic. And I'm on call tonight. I'm watching my call right now, so I'm just getting myself a little bit, positioning myself a little bit closer to work, so I don't have to go through this stressful time if I do get called in or paged. I like this sporty setup. Like this is Alcantara. It was an Alcantara or Sway, whatever this is.
So they're gonna call it.
What are they calling it?
Mercedes-Benz microfiber.
Okay. Really like the GLC 43. Surprised me. I didn't film it because I'm driving, but it had some sportiness to it. It had some you know, it could be a kind of luxury car and something that can kind of get down if you need to. Definitely, I wasn't expecting the thing to have burbles and upshift pops, but it did, and only in the, you know, obviously of course sprite mode, but I was just kind of caught off guard by it, how aggressive and sporty that car can be, but also as tamed and as you want. Did look at the SQ5 at the Audi dealer. It wasn't the SQ5 I'm trying to look at until they were closed. I would try a different one at CarMax. Had that on reserve, should be coming in here shortly. Right now I'm at Honda, I'm looking at a couple other vehicles. All right, so over here at Honda, I'm gonna look at a few vehicles and then we'll let you know.
Take as much as you want.
Okay. The reason I thought these had a panoramic sunroof.
No.
It's not.
Pilot.
Pilot does that. Okay. USB-C ports. Okay. Decent amount of space back here. Wow, it's actually more than I was expecting.
Seats folds down, so.
Okay. Anything under here?
No, actually you can't open this.
Can't open it?
No.
Okay. No.
That's where the battery sits.
No spare tire then?
No spare tire.
Okay. So I am looking at a few different cars, and I didn't really preface what I was doing, why I was doing it. Sorry, my eyes are red. It's just been a long day. But I've been looking around, you know, a small SUV, sort of luxury, sometimes thinking of a car. I'll explain more in detail with another video, kind of like why I'm buying another car, but also too, and I don't know what the order of the videos. I've already sold 2 cars, so you know we're doing some stuff here, some shifting some things. But the next car I'm looking to buy is kind of being maybe the category of the X3. I've been looking for some X3s. It's just trying to find one the right spec, and I think I'm narrowing down to GLC, Audi, the SQ5, and then I'm looking at I don't know. Look at the Civic, not Civic. Look at the CRV hybrid, RAV4s. I don't know, but something's coming. All right. Thanks for watching, and I'll subscribe because there's going to be some more stuff coming if you're curious.